Kendall at Sonnet Technologies booth at NAB 2024. I'm here with our expansion chassis. We have right here our Mac Studio paired with our Echo 3, which is a 3-slot PCIe chassis. And our newest member is the Echo 2DV. This has 2 individual Thunderbolt connections to both cards. So it's going to be great for people who use video cards because you're going to get full bandwidth to both cards and individual Thunderbolt connections to each. So we're going to be going over to Softron's booth to talk to David, and we'll see what he has to say.
Hello, I'm David with Softron. Now, Softron's been around since 1982. We actually came out before the first Mac, but it's always been solutions on Apple. So for the last 42 years, we've been doing a lot of developments for broadcast. And what they always want for broadcast is a very clean solution. So when you have something with the Mac, you want to have something that's connecting to it for that video potential. And that's where we've teamed up with Sonnet, where we have a great solution where we can have everything inside the rack. It is nice and clean, you have your video outputs, and it's connected right to the Mac in a good frame. It's really helpful for a lot of different situations, whether it's an OB van or it's in a television station, and really our customers are very happy with it because they know everything is going to be self-contained. We have a lot of customers who want to capture multiple 4K 60 channels. Now, in the previous module, you would have had to have another rack unit inside to say, I want to get 4 channels of 4K 60. The Echo 2DV does allow us to have that another card in the same size of the rack unit. So 3 rack units, I have something like my Mac Studio, and now I also have 2 Thunderbolt slots for more cards. And so we're doing 4 channels of 4K 60 in the same footprint as before. What we're seeing in the industry is a lot of people want to use our software, but they want to use it whether it's on a Mac Mini or the Mac Studio or even their MacBook. So having a solution that really makes sense for them in those profiles, because they can use the Sonnet, something like the Echo Express, where they have it in a desk factor, or they want to use something on the Duo Moto series, where it's on a desk, or they can change out the module and put it in a rack. And so that makes it a very flexible product to say, we know this Echo 2DV is going to work. We have the 2 Thunderbolt cables for the 2 PCI slots inside. And now that module can go in these many form factors. And so we get to recommend one great product to the customers, and we can say, now the form factor is up to you. So we're really happy how we can suggest that, and we know that in that solution, that the cards you can use, whether it's Blackmagic, AJA, or DeltaCast from us, we know we can capture and output on those cards, and we know it's going to work in the Sonnet Technology solutions. I appreciate you guys as a partner. It's really a wonderful relationship. You guys make wonderfully clean products for us, and we couldn't be more happy.